Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here we are discussing Java basic programs. So the first Java basic program is to build a hello world program. So that we are doing from Eclipse. So open your Eclipse and just create a new project, new in that project, and you have to give the project name. You can do your any project name, and you can set your location according to your wish. So I'm setting up my location in D drive. After that you have to give the project name as your wish, project. After that you have to click on use default location and you finish the project. It's created here. You can see in the left corner project. In project you have to right click and new. In new you have to click the new class. After that we have to use the new class name. A package will be default. Hello new class name, and you have to click in public static void main and then finish. Here is your project and a program. So you have to simply write system.out.println. It is used to display any statement. Under this you can write hello world in double quotes. For in the end of the statement you have to put the semicolon. So semicolon is the end of the statement is considered as, and just you have to save the program and run the program. Green button is run. You can see in the console the output is displayed hello world. So you can see here. So we can write our name also. Package, it is a package we have created. It is a class name, class and class name hello, and public static void main string hooks. It is a main method where we can use our and we write our program. System.out.println, and it is a output statement to print anything in the console. We can print our name also. System.out.println semicolon and Harry Potter. It is a name simply. You can use your name. Just save it and run the program. You can see here Harry Potter is displayed in the output console. So this is the simplest basic Java program. We will see in next class.